Welcome. If you've been using Instagram on your computer and want to stay updated whenever it's time to add your photo to a post, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram Web now lets you control push notifications more precisely, including reminders for adding your photos. Let's walk through how to turn this on step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the expanded menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your account preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Look for and click on Notifications. Now you're inside the notifications settings. Here's where you can control what alerts you receive. Find the section labeled Push Notifications and click on it to open more detailed options. Scroll through the list until you see Add to Post. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram notifies you when it's time or relevant to add your photo to a post. Under this option, select